So use the same methods from period to period, so results are comparable, right? So if there is an asset, a same type of asset, you depreciate that asset. Say, for example, we'll apply that in US tax. If there is a rental property, again, if it's a house or, if it's a house that's being rented, that house is depreciated 27 and a half years. It cannot be less than that. It can be more than that. It has to be 27 and a half. So everyone's consistent in that approach. Make sense? Also, in terms of consistency, for example, meals, right? Some of you are experienced bookkeepers already. Some bookkeeping firms, when they see there are meals expenses in the transactions of the client, they make rules, right? They make rules so that whoever is doing the bookkeeping, especially in the process of categorizing the transaction, can be guided accordingly. So one rule is that if the meals expense is $20 or less, then that's a personal expense, and that should be categorized as owner's drawing. Because if it's $20 or less, that's likely just for one person, right? Imagine $20 is about $1,000 for one person. But that's the case, really. That's just a meal at McDonald's, maybe Starbucks, maybe less than 20, maybe about $12, right? But if you're in California or New York, $20 is really just for one person, right? So $20, if that's $20 and below, automatic. How you categorize it is owner's drawing, right?
That's the sneak peek of our US bookkeeping episode. Want the full episode? Don't miss the full learning experience. This is just a glimpse of what you'll learn in our US bookkeeping, communication skills, and US taxation courses. Register for free to access the complete session, or take your learning further by enrolling in the full program. As an enrolled student, you'll gain access to premium lessons, exclusive learning resources, career development opportunities, and our internship program at no additional cost. Whether you're a beginner, career shifter, or aspiring global professional, this program is designed to help you build the skills and confidence needed to succeed in the international job market. Click the link in the description to register or enroll today. Your journey to becoming a borderless accountant starts here. Be part of our growing community and never miss important updates, trainings, tips, and opportunities. Follow our TikTok page. Follow our Facebook page. Join our Facebook community. Connect through Telegram. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Visit our website. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you'll never miss our next training session. See you in the next video. Borderless accountants. Skills without borders. Careers without limits.